Verdammt! There was 3 curving ones plus the corner of the star. Yeah, guys, if you make avoidance, can you make it so that the corner of the star does not hit the corner when you combine it with other attacks, because it's really dumb. Because it's really free if it does not get the corner in your face, but it gets if it gets the corner in your face, that's really not good. Yeah, you people are crazy, you're always making avoidance. I'm trying to have a good influence on you guys. I do not know what I was dodging. Maybe this was not a good decision. Okay, never mind, it's fine.